feels different today. I can't quite put my finger on it. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kat and today I am a fucking blonde bombshell and I'm obsessed with it. Love it. I needed a change, you know? For years I was this beautiful white purple blonde and I decided I needed a change about 5 months ago and I went very dark. Very dark. I knew that I was going to want to be a blonde again, but my hair is fucked. I'd fried it. I did it myself, and I was not a hairdresser, and I fried it. So I loved being a dark for a while, but I was over it. I was over it. So huge shout out to my friend Kim for turning me into a blonde bombshell. Love it. I didn't think that we could go from the darkest dark that I was to this blonde. I do have extensions in. Thank you to my friend Amber for putting them in. I feel great. I feel beautiful. So this morning I woke up and I was like, I need to wear pink. I need to wear pink today because I need to be the girliest girl possible. Please. We are going to be reviewing the Jawbreaker palette. I did already make a video on this, but my eyes were watering like crazy. And of course, this morning they were watering pretty bad as well, but not as bad as the other day. I will put that video up as well, but I'm a goddamn mess. Please excuse my sparse eyelashes in this video. I am getting them done in an hour. Sir, I wanted to film this before I got them done because I can't really wear eyeshadow for a bit after I get my extensions done. So let's go into the tutorial. Oh, I just love it. I love it. I love it. It's very early in the morning. I shouldn't be allowed to be this hyper for anybody. I'm sorry, I keep looking in the monitor because when she's a bit piratey, but you know how I roll. Anyways, let's go into the tutorial. Yeah. Hello.
Hello, what's going on?
Oh, just playing with my new palette. Being a blonde, having a great time, being a silly kitten.
I got a wee bit of a question for you, mate.
Yes, absolutely. Here are the eyes. I am a little bit disappointed in this palette. It's hard for me to say because my allergies have been so crazy lately. But the color Wow, this yellow, and Bubblegum were not very pigmented. You could see in the tutorial I tried to start out with Bubblegum and she wasn't really having it. It's also really hard for me to tell because my allergies have been so super bad lately that I can't keep eyeshadow on for very long. My eyes start watering. It's not having it. But the other colors, so this one here, on camera it looks like an orange, but it's what I'm wearing on my lids as well. It's called Fuck, by the way. Fuck. I love that color. The color Gumdrop is great. The purple, love it. This blue here, I'm pretty disappointed in it, actually. Yeah, I did make another video on that one. I haven't played with this enough to give you a full review, so I'm going to continue to play with it. I do have to get my eyelashes done right away. This girl's got to go, but I'm just not sure. I'm just not sure. I do have the Mini Breaker palette as well. I haven't played with that yet, but we'll do a tutorial on that. I keep looking in the monitor at how swollen my eyes are. And also, I keep looking at my hair because I'm obsessed with it. Hello. Okay. Yes. Yes. If you're new here, please leave a comment, #new, in the comments. That makes sense. Yeah. If you're new here, so I can give you a proper welcome, please comment if you have the Jawbreaker palette and let me know what you think of it, because I'm just not sure. Yeah. Anyways, guys, thanks for stopping by. I hope you have a great day, and I'll talk to you on the next one. Bye! Yarr.